This script allows the simultaneous conversion of multiple conical faces into cylindrical faces. It is particularly useful for creating solid bolts and plastic parts that feature conical holes in the CAD model. Select the Repository folder in the UI Customization menu to load the scripts. The Select feature option lets you select all conical holes at once. Specify a new radius value or enter 0 for automatic detection. With the holes shaped correctly, you can move forward with the next steps, such as the remeshing or the automated creation of hex bolts. This script allows to modify the shape and radius not only of holes, but also of any other circular face.